Hi friends, I am Miss Williams and I am the fourth grade remote learning teacher for our 2020-2021 school year. I want to start by giving you a few tips and tricks on accessing your Google Classroom and on accessing my Zoom link. The first thing we're going to do is go to Google.com. You're going to come over here to the upper right hand corner and click your waffle and go to the Google Classroom icon. You are then going to click that. That will bring you right to Google Classroom and right to your remote learning Google Classroom. You're going to click that. If you have not accepted that invite or have not gotten logged in, please do so. Our class code is listed here. You are now in your remote learning classroom. You'll see here under the Stream tab that your daily assignments are posted. There's announcements from me and numerous announcements from your other special teachers as well. You can also find your assignments under the Classwork tab. You'll see here that we have week 1. Some of these are in light gray. My classroom will look a little different from yours because these assignments haven't been posted yet, but they're scheduled for you, so look out for them. Welcome back, 4th graders has been posted, so make sure you look into that today. Now let's go to your Zoom link. My Zoom link will be here every day. I am available most of the day for your remote learning. When you come to my Zoom link, there's 2 slides here. The first slide has my Zoom link and my password. You will always need to enter my password to get into my classroom. This also lists my Zoom hours. Notice that my hours on Wednesdays are a little bit different than the rest of the week. When you go to the Zoom link, you're going to click it. This is my Zoom, so it doesn't require me to enter a password. Make sure that when you join, you're joining muted and with your camera on. Also make sure when you're joining, you're using your first and last name as your screen name. If you're on somebody else's device, it might pop up with their name, so make sure that you're putting in your first and last name. We're going to exit out of Zoom. So that's where you find my Zoom link. Now, if you scroll down, you'll also see math, CKLA, science, and special areas. Your assignments can be found there every single day. Okay, friends, every day. Again, all of your assignments and due dates are going to be posted here in the Upcomings tab and posted on the screen. Make sure you are checking these things every day. If you have questions, you can always reach out to me, Dojo, email, and comment in Google Classroom. Can't wait to hear from you soon.